Good afternoon, everyone. First, I would like to thank the whole team for answering my emails and for explaining all my concerns about the paper publication. It's really my privilege to present my research study in the 11th Global Conference on Business and Social Science. I was able to interact with other researchers from different countries, and they were very helpful as well. Same as with the team and approachable, especially now that we're doing the online presentation and we have some challenges in the internet connections, the audios and screen sharing. They were coaching us on what to do, and whenever we have questions, they were very much willing to answer all of it. Of course, on the side of the presenters, they are knowledgeable of their research. Thank you also to our session chairs for facilitating our Zoom meeting a while ago. For me, this experience it was really a great learning experience. I realized the importance of having your research presented, not only in the university, but to share it with others as well, since the research is all about collaboration and sharing information, so that others can have an idea on what is happening, or issues that needs attention within a certain area that we people don't normally tackle. So I would like to thank the University of Santo Tomas for encouraging their students to publish the paper as well. And lastly, congratulations to GCBSS committee for organizing this seminar. That's all. Thank you.